Okay, so going back, I've got all my, this back is actually quite nice. It's got a lot of support straps, you don't even feel it. Although your back is getting a little bit sweaty. As the sun is coming here, you see here's everything. It's quite heavy. I've got a lot of stuff in my bag. It's quite heavy, but worth it. I've got some extra pockets there that is empty. So for the empty pockets in my backpack, can you guys guess what that is? So everything you have in the bag for to eat and drink. This is not our. This is not ours. This is not for us, and it's also not for us to litter. So as soon as I use anything, first aid plastics, food tins, whatever the case may be, backpack. I've got an empty pocket there for it. If you scared it's gonna spill or whatever the remains, you put it in a plastic bag in your bag. But you don't leave it in the bushes. It's unhuman to do something like this. Animals are living here. It's just as good the animal come to your place and you go and litter in your house. You won't be happy. So the same goes for us. We don't litter in their place. This is their home. Yeah, so I love the wilderness. I love the outdoors. For the reason is that I did a couple years ago anti-poaching society, what you call it, association. So I did a 3-month camp in the Kruger National Park. I was trained by the ex-military guys, intense military training, full tactical. I'll show you guys the certificates one day. And then yeah, so there I got taught a lot of things, what to do in the bush and what not to do in the bush, rhinos, lions, elephants, whatever. Respect their world, their habitat areas, and they will respect you. They'll give you the view that you want. They'll pose for you, but if you threaten them or their lives feel threatened, they'll come for you, because that's what every human being does. Animals are the same. They're protecting what is theirs. Now I'm climbing back this mountain. Jeez, to the way. Remember, there's 2 of them. Yeah. All right.